So right here we have $20 for all four. Got these from the Junkyard. Just try to clean them up as much as I can. Just waiting for them to dry just a little bit. And then we're going to use some Rust-Oleum 2x coverage paint and primer, aluminum. See how it's going to look on my car. So we'll see. Stay tuned. And let's get it. Okay, so now we're going to start painting with the 2x primer and paint. The way we paint these hubcaps, we're going to start from the outside in when we're painting. We're going to do straight lines across. The reason why we do this is so we don't create bubbles or have excess paint onto the hubcaps. And also, it applies an even coat throughout the whole hubcap. We're also going to do every side of this hubcap to get every angle so we're not missing any spots on the hubcap. And we just have to be very careful on just how we apply the paint. Once we finish all four hubcaps, we're going to let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. After those 15-20 minutes, we're going to apply another coat. I'm not going to show that just because you're just going to see me doing the same thing multiple times. But after this coat right here that I've done with all this, I did it an extra 2 more times just to get a nice, good look, finished look on it. And it's going to look really nice at the end. Lastly, after we've done our 2 to 3 coats with our paint and primer, we're gonna get this clear coat and we're just gonna finish off with the clear coat. Same thing, we're just gonna we're gonna apply the coat evenly, same way we paint with the 2x primer and paint. And we're gonna do it to every angle and every hubcap. We're gonna let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. And I think after this, I just did 1 more coat of clear coat. And I'm telling you, these hubcaps look brand new. I definitely saved a lot of money going to the Junkyard and getting this. Although I did pay for the paint, I can use the paint for other things as well, so it's just good. And here's the wheels before, and I'm gonna show you how after, and you can tell there's a huge difference. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and peace out.